So my next guest today is Karol Natora. He is the service engineer and the manager of head refurbishments for SMT XTRA.
Yes, head repairs.
Yes, head repairs. Now, you know, the biggest line that you do quite a few different lines actually, but the biggest one that you're doing is Fuji.
Yes, we specialize at Fuji, yes.
Yes, okay. So typically you're down here. What sort of support do you give customers that have Fuji machines in the field?
Well, all kind of maintenance. So regular maintenance, preventive maintenance, and also breakdowns. So when the machine breaks down, we could go out and service and repair that machine.
Okay, okay. So you're also in the second user market as well. So you sell some of the second user machines.
Yeah, we do resell the used machines as well. Yes.
Right. Okay. So typically, so the head repairs, so that happen in the field down here, they're not actually fixed here. You actually send them back to your US office or your UK office.
Yes, so we don't have a repair center in Mexico. So all the heads from Mexican market are sent to US, to Tennessee, and then we have a repair center there, and those heads are repaired there.
Right, and what the typical turnaround time?
It's around 3 weeks.
3 weeks, okay. Now the other things that you service are typically things like feeders.
Yes.
And you have some nozzles as well and that type of thing. Do you have stock of these things here in Mexico?
Yes, we have stock of feeders and nozzles in Mexico.
Okay.
Obviously, there is hundreds of different nozzles, but all the most common nozzles we keep in stock.
Right. Okay. Excellent. So, what else do you do down here? You work for? Do you represent some of the other pick and place guys? As well, or is it just mostly Fuji?
Well, it's Fuji, Panasonic, ASM.
Yeah.
There is few brands, right? Juki, all the smaller brands as well.
Yes. Okay. Great. And is there any other consumables or things that you sell down here?
Yeah, all the consumables. Also for printers like papers, paste, grease, any consumable part for many brands.
Right. Okay. Excellent. So where's your office located here in Mexico?
In Guadalajara.
In Guadalajara.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. And do you have many service engineers down here or anything like that?
Not so many at the moment. We only have one guy at the moment. But as the business grows, we'll probably increase that number.
Add more
people.
Yeah. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Good. So, well, that's good to know. So, anything new, anything else that's happening in SMT XTRA that we should know about?
Well, it's mainly the head business is growing rapidly. There is a lot of interest in that.
Yes.
So we're growing it bigger and bigger every year. So now we started in UK, offering service for whole Europe.
Yeah.
And then we've grown this to United States and now to the Mexico as well.
To Mexico as well, yeah. I mean, these Fuji heads are interchangeable. So, I mean, does somebody sometimes drop them or something like that?
It does happen. It's not very often.
Right.
But it's usually the accidents on the machine. Sometimes operators not insert feeder properly, and the head would crash into that feeder, get damaged, and things like that.
Yes, okay.
And sometimes it's just a wear and tear. The head gets so many pickups, so many years, and just need a refurbishment after a few years.
Yeah, they're pretty complex pieces of kit.
Oh,
though.
yeah, they are quite advanced.
You're a bit of a Swiss watchmaker here.
Yes, a little bit like that, yes.
Okay, great. Well, it's interesting to hear what you're doing, and I think you do a great job. So, Karol, thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
It was a pleasure.